ladies and gentlemen. I hope you're having a fantastic day. If you're new to the channel, my name is Parker Nierenstein, and this is Vehicle Virgins. Today is very exciting because we are finally doing something I've wanted to do for a very long time now, and that is install SunTech paint protection film all over the Mclaren. For those of you unfamiliar with paint protective film, it's a thin film that gets applied to your car on the outside, kind of like a vinyl wrap, except it is clear and you can't see it whatsoever. What's the purpose? Well, it protects your paint against rock chips and scratches. Some people just get the front of their car covered in paint protection film. It's a little cheaper and it makes sure that the highest prone areas to scratches and rock chips are protected. But today we are going to cover the entire Mclaren in paint protective film. Premium paint protection films like SunTech actually are self-healing, which means if you get a scratch, somebody decides to rub their keys up against the side of your car, the film can actually heal itself under sunlight or a heat gun, and the scratch completely goes away. So we're going to hop in the Mclaren and head to Impressive Wraps in El Monte, who is an authorized SunTech paint protection film dealer, and get this car protected. Met up with my new friend and fellow YouTuber Steven Scherer yesterday. He was out visiting from the East Coast and wanted to explore the awesome Malibu Canyon roads. He rented a 570S. We had an absolute blast. We had a large convoy of cars, and it reminded me how badly I need paint protection film. When you're driving on rallies and you're behind other cars with wide rear tires, they kick up rocks and they can damage your front bumper. I've actually got a pretty sad story about that. Several years ago when I had my Gallardo and I was about to take it on its first rally, I thought, you know what? I need to get paint protection film on the car before I go on this rally so I don't get any rock chips. Well, I didn't end up doing that, and I ended up behind a Corvette that spit tons of rocks at my car. Now, it wasn't the Corvette's fault, it was just random gravel on the road, and it damaged my front bumper so bad I needed a full repaint. And it turns out repainting the front bumper is significantly more expensive than just getting it protected in the first place. The other issue is getting paint to match, getting the panels to perfectly look like they were from the factory is nearly impossible. Ever since that moment, I've viewed PPF as not something that's just a cool technology, but as something that's mandatory for anybody who cares about keeping their car in good condition. Yep, definitely gotta stop for gas. One of the biggest things for me while driving is having peace of mind, focusing on nothing other than enjoying the driving experience. If you're worried the whole time that the car is expensive, and the reality is there are rocks on the road, that you're gonna get rock chips, it takes a lot of fun out of the driving experience. The unfortunate part is at car shows and car meets, people are likely to lean up against your car, take pictures, or if you wash your car yourself, you might develop some scratches. But with paint protection film, all of those fears and worries are completely eradicated. That's why I'm extremely excited that SunTech is sponsoring this video, so not only we get to protect the beautiful Lantana purple paint on the Mclaren, but also inform you guys about protective paint film and why you need to get it on your car. What I love so much about SunTech's protective film is that it's self-healing. So if you do develop a scratch underneath sunlight, the scratch will actually heal itself and disappear completely. It's also got incredible optical clarity, meaning your paint is gonna look the same as it did from the factory in a beautiful high gloss finish. If you got a matte car, they also have matte films as well. We've also got their proprietary Hydro Resist top coat, which resists dirt and water, keeping it from discoloring and making sure you've got that beautiful finish at all times. And lastly, they've got an insane 10-year warranty on their SunTech Ultra film against bubbling and cracking, so you're protected for a very long time. I am so excited for this, guys. It means I can finally take my Mclaren on the track without having a worry in the world. This car gets such good fuel economy cruising on the highway and around town, but then when you step on it in the canyons, it sucks gas like nobody's business. So we just arrived at Impressive Wrap. This is actually the first time I've ever been here, but I've seen their work on Instagram a heck of a lot. They've got some dope cars. Check this out. Look at that Prius. No, but check this out. Wide body Liberty Walk Maserati. Awesome G-Wagon. We got a 4x4 squared over there. I think there's a Supra hiding back there. And another Maserati MC Stradale. All right, let's go inside. What's up, dude?
What's up?
How's it going, man? Good to finally meet you.
Meet you. Let's take a step inside.
Let's do it. Thank you.
Yep. So this
How's it going? Good, how are you? Nice to see you too.
Cool. So this is our front showroom. We walk in, this is what you see. We got all of our different things. Our auto salon sign for car washes, detailing, all the wraps that we offer, and then all the samples down here.
Cool.
Get to the cool stuff through here. This is our actual workshop where we do all the cars. As you guys can see, got S-Class in here, a GTR is wrapping up with its wrap. 458 getting clear coat as well.
Beautiful.
And over here we have a lift where we actually do installs for exhaust, all that kind of stuff.
Cool.
Do a little bit of everything here. So if you guys are ever in the area, you know.
Heck yeah, check them out, Impressive Wrap.
Check them out, Impressive Wrap.
That was awkward. So we got Peter over here doing a PPF install on the Speciale.
Hey, how's it going?
How's it going, dude?
Good.
So I'm about to get a full Suntech PPF on my Mclaren. Can you talk about some of the advantages of...
Yeah, definitely. Well, right now I'm working on this 458 Special with clear brawling, whatever that wasn't done yet. So I'm doing the tail light coverage, the carbon piece. The advantage of it is pretty much like you get UV protection for the carbon. Carbon, you can leave it out in the sun. You don't park it in the garage. Some people don't park in the garage. The carbon tends to turn yellow because
Gotcha.
all it has is a gel coating on there. It isn't really actual clear coat. Depends on some people, they actually clear coat it, but they still want to protect it. What the PPF does is they'll protect it. We have the 5-year and the 10-year warranty with the Suntech PPF.
Yep.
Also prevents rock chips through the paint. Like someone wants to key your car, they really have to like work at it to try to get to the paint. So I mean, overall, it protects your paint. Protects rock chips. So,
And it's self-healing, right?
yeah, it's self-healing, definitely self-healing. As long as someone doesn't like go crazy with trying to key your car, like they really hate your guts and they like light scratches go away because what happens in the self-healing process is the heat makes like micro scratches, minor scratches dissipate.
Sure.
Deep scratches, not so much, but like it still will dissipate. It'll turn into a lighter scratch. But overall, what you want it for is to protect the paint. Like that's what PPF is for, is paint protection.
All right, guys, so I'm dropping the car off. I will be back in 4 days when the install is complete. But for now, here's a little montage of the process to clear bra the car. Just got dropped off by my Uber. I'm at Impressive Wraps. I cannot wait to see the finished product. Let's go inside. Oh man, the car looks so good. Check this out, guys. Impressive Wrap absolutely killed it. Not only can you not see the PPF anywhere, I mean, look at all the intricacies of the bodywork. This must have been pretty hard to wrap. I can't see anywhere where you can actually tell it's been clear brought. And at the same time, the coating and the clarity of the PPF actually gives a slight gloss look to it. It's shinier than before, and it looks so dang good. Once again, I gotta give a huge shout out to SunTech PPF for protecting my car. Seriously, guys, you need to protect your paint. I've got a link in the description below to their website so you can check that out. Also, special thanks to Impressive Wrap for absolutely killing the install. Off to the canyons. Even got the carbon fiber door sills protected, so when people get in and out of the car, it doesn't get scratched. Let's fire it up. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed those fire cinematic shots by Impressive Media. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like always, please browse the channel and subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next video.